Chapter 1 Consciousness. 4 classes of consciousness. Citta is defined as consciousness, that is, to be conscious or aware of sense objects. Cittas may be divided into 4 classes in accordance with the 4 planes of existence, or realms, or spheres. Number 1. Consciousness mostly experienced in the sense sphere, kama vachara cittas. Number 2. Consciousness mostly experienced in the fine material sphere, rupa vachara cittas. Number 3. Consciousness mostly experienced in the immaterial sphere, arupa vachara cittas. Number 4. Consciousness experienced in the supramundane level, lokutrachara cittas. The above 4 classes of cittas may be called, in short, kama cittas, rupa cittas, arupa cittas, and lokutra cittas. Kama vachara cittas are experienced not only in the sense sphere, but also in other spheres. The same thing is true with rupa vachara cittas and arupa vachara cittas. The sense sphere refers to the 4 woeful abodes, the human realm, and the 6 deva realms. In all these realms, sensual pleasure is enjoyed. The fine material sphere refers to the 16 realms populated by rupa brahmas, i.e., brahmas with forms or bodies. The immaterial sphere refers to the 4 realms populated by arupa brahmas, i.e., brahmas without forms or bodies. Brahmas are more powerful than devas, or deities. They enjoy greater peace and longer lives than devas. Sense sphere consciousness, kama vachara cittas. There are 54 kama vachara cittas which may be divided into 3 classes. Number 1. Immoral consciousness, akusala cittas. Number 2. Rootless consciousness, ahutaka cittas. Number 3. Sense sphere beautiful consciousness, kama sobhana cittas. The total number of kama vachara cittas is 12 plus 18 plus 24, which equals 54. They will be named and explained further below. It is recommended that the reader or learner should become familiar with the Pali names mentioned in this book. They are short and precise and will help one to understand the translations or the writings in other textbooks or treatises on Buddhism. Immoral consciousness, akusala citta. Akusala means immoral. People usually commit wicked and evil deeds with akusala cittas. So, akusala cittas bear bad results. An action is immoral if it causes harm to any living being and produces bad effects to oneself and to others. The 12 akusala cittas may be further divided into 3 classes. Number 1. Greed-rooted consciousness, lobha mula cittas. Number 2. Anger-rooted consciousness, dosa mula cittas. Number 3. Ignorance-rooted consciousness, moha mula cittas.